Bambu Lab X2D Unboxing Guide. Open the outer box, read the Quick Start Guide, then take out the toolbox. Next, remove the cardboard and the top foam. Lift out the printer and place it on a stable surface. Remove the moisture-proof bag and the spare PTFE tube. Next, remove the tape and top glass cover. Then, take out the cardboard and accessories. Remove the protective bag and the foam from the handle. Peel off the side window protective film. Note: remove the foam under the heat bed only after the initial calibration. Use an H2.0 Allen key to remove the 3 screws marked in red. The Allen key is included in the toolbox. Now, remove the 2 lead screw fixtures. Remove the desiccant inside the printer. Then pull down and remove the red plastic protectors from both lead screws. Cut and remove the zip ties from the linear rods. Then pull the tool head toward the front door. Next, remove the foam behind the linear rod and the zip tie on the tool head. Place the top glass cover back onto the printer. Remove the tab securing the cable. Now, insert the cable into the screen port. Tuck in the cable, insert the screen, and slide left to lock it in place. Remove the tape and take out the auxiliary extruder. Next, slide out the cover plate, insert the cable, then slide it back. Loosen the nut on the auxiliary extruder by hand. Insert the PTFE tube fully into the connector. Insert the auxiliary extruder and press down to lock. Confirm the tube is fully inserted, then tighten the nut with the open-end wrench. Continue until you hear a continuous clicking sound. Remove the tape securing the PTFE tube. Next, insert the gray tube into the main extruder inlet. Insert the white tube into the auxiliary extruder inlet. Take out a spool holder and slide it into the base. Insert the PTFE tube holder downward into the slot on the spool holder. Connect the gray tube to the upper spool holder. Then install the other spool holder. Connect the white tube to the lower spool holder. Insert the external exhaust fan into the rear panel. Press in and push left to lock. Connect the buffer and the external exhaust fan with the 6-pin cable. Check that the voltage matches your local power standard. Next, plug in the power cable and turn on the printer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial calibration. Remove the foam under the heat bed after calibration, and your printer is ready for use.